Alright, adventure seekers! Hot rodders are out! Little car show action on the way to Nojoqui. Good noon, adventure seekers. Fortunate enough to see the Forties Limited from Orange County, cruising all the way here to Nojoqui. Check out these beautiful rides. Talk about a long cruise all the way from Orange County, but they were riding in style. I bet you all turned some heads on the way up here, didn't you? Yeah, beautiful cars. Keeping them looking good. They're showstoppers. Like it. Alright, Forties Limited, Orange County Car Club. Cruising. Picked a great spot to stop. Awesome looking Fords. You don't see these too often, folks. The Ford Deluxe. They got the name right when they did that one, didn't they? That is one deluxe automobile right there. That's when cars were a work of art. Now they're plastic pieces designed to blow up when they get hit. Right, that's a beautiful ride right there. Ford Deluxe. Well, the Deluxe Fords are out in force, folks. These are some beautiful rides. Do a quick little walkabout in this direction. Gotta like it. That is quite the cruise. Get some thumbs up on the freeway with these beauties. Right. Gotta like it. Back when cars were works of art. These things will get you there in style. Beautiful rides. I like it. Yellow Camino action. Convertible. I like it, folks. All right. Well, welcome to Nojoqui. Ford Club.